This is the HyperX Quadcast S. It's a standalone USB microphone, and it has the following features. It has got a dynamic RGB lighting effects, customizable with HyperX Ingenuity software. It has got an anti-vibration shock mount. It has a tap to mute sensor with LED indicator. It has 4 selectable polar patterns. It has a mount adapter included and a convenient gain control adjustment. It has internal pop filter with a built-in headphone jack, and it's multi-device and program compatibility. So we're going to unbox this microphone and set it up using our Windows 10 PC. So opening up the box, you'll see some flyers on HyperX, and this is the quick start guide. There's a pull instruction here. And this is the mic itself. This is the mount adapter, and this is the USB cable. So this is what you have in box. It has got the microphone itself, the USB cable, the mount adapter, some flyers, and the quick start guide in the middle. So once you've unboxed the microphone, it is now time to plug it and use it on our computer. So this is the USB-C, and right above it is the headphone jack. So with the USB cable that came with it, we're going to plug it into the USB-C port as shown. So let us plug the other end of the USB cable into the USB port on our computer. So once you have plugged in the microphone via the USB, you can see that it has lit up in RGB colors. This is a key difference between the Quadcast, which is its predecessor, and the Quadcast S, the one that you are currently looking at. And it has got a knob over here for gain control, where you can rotate to increase or decrease the gain. And looking at the back of the microphone itself, you can see that there are 4 polar patterns. Let's switch it to the first button. This is the stereo polar pattern, and the one that is next to it, this is the omnidirectional polar pattern, and the third one, this is the cardioid polar pattern, and finally the last polar pattern we have is the bidirectional. One other feature on this microphone is the tap to mute or unmute. So if we were to tap, it is now muted. To unmute, simply tap on it again, a very light tap. And so this is a quick unboxing and overview of the HyperX Quadcast S USB microphone.